Hi guys, this is Troy with Endless Protection Solutions. Today we have a 2018 BMW X2. It's getting a full matte wrap. A lot of guys always wonder why there's a price difference in what we charge. So we remove the badge on the front bumper. We also remove the grille. The grille's a little bit tricky because you have to remove the bumper and get access behind the clips and to push the grills through. So we also remove the fender flares on the front fenders and then goes around to the front bumper. We're gonna also remove the channels around the windshield and also the channels around the roof itself. We'll also remove the window trim molding, and then after we get done doing the front end, we're also going to remove the door handles as well. So with this part right here, we also remove the badge. In order to remove the badge and the tail lights, we have to remove the panels inside. So you guys take a look. All those inner panel parts got taken apart in order for us to access the bolts for the tail lights. Another service we offer here is we also do touch-up paint and also dent repair. Since this car's a little bit older, has miles on it, we repair the chips on the bumper, the hood, and also we repair some dents in the rear quarter panel. So one of the main reasons why we take out the door handles is because right here, if you use the pattern itself, you have a seam around here. And typically when you have a seam, you'll notice it. So as we do a matte conversion, you want to be as seamless as possible. So we took out the door handles so you can compare the before and after. So this is with the door handle, I guess off, but with the painted surface, the original clear color. And this is the matte. So you can see all around the seam, it's all seamless. And then you can see, even though we washed it using the adhesive remover, got some dirt off the edges. So this here is a pattern made for the car. We deleted the cutout for the door handle. You see it's all seamless right here. One problem that people normally have is the tension that you have right here while it's deleted. So what we do is we use this little squirt bottle, we spray it, we heat it up, it's hot water in here. So this bottle technique was, I guess, told me or showed me by Rob Ruska from Eastman, the trainer. So props up to him showing me this little trick. I'm heating this up, spraying some alcohol underneath so it can tack. And then I'm gonna try to get this in one swoop. Got to tack my air down here, get some tension in here, get some tension on the four corners. So one reason why we're starting right at the door handle is because you have all this film that's around it that will allow it to sink in. If you start anywhere else on the panel, say you squeeze this, you're gonna have less material to allow it to sink in. So you're gonna have to cut out the small hole where the actual handle goes into the door. Just allow you some air to escape from the actual center. From right here. Slip here, and also allows you to spray alcohol inside of there too. And just be careful, don't cut the paint and don't cut the wiring. Spray my my tack. So normally you get it down in one swoop, but this time it required a couple more swoops, but just make sure you have your overlapping strokes so you won't get any kind of moisture or any kind of ghosting. So guys, the reason why we take stuff apart is to make stuff easier for us to do areas like these. This is a high tension area. With the badge removed and the taillight removed, we're able to stretch it and feed this in. It takes a lot of work and a lot of patience, but once you get it in, it'll be a clean install. Since it's going matte, you won't see any kind of seam or any work marks. And then people always think it's a factory color and not something that's been wrapped.
Take it in.
It's like, I mean, I know it's gonna look good, but it is like sweet.
Yeah.
It's whew. It's a huge difference. Oh, now it's like it's all new. Wow. Surpasses what I was thinking. This is like,
Glad you're happy.
Yes, absolutely.